Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share content with everyone on the whiteboard, thereby being able to draw and write down things easily on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Then click on Start Meeting in the middle of the screen. Select your audio, such as use internet for audio or don't connect to it. Tap on the camera icon if you would like to show yourself, and then tap on Start at the bottom of the page. After that, click on the three dots icon down below. Scroll down to the Share Content section and click on Whiteboard in the middle of the screen in the first row. That's the second option. Here you are going to see that the whiteboard is available to you. So down below you can see your devices. You can choose the pencil or the pen option. Here you can select the colors. So you are ready to write anything or draw anything. Then you can add the text box as well, so you can type in anything. You can erase and also add these arrows, as you can see, and cut out parts of the text. If you want to save the content that you have added or inserted to your whiteboard, you need to press the button Save. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.